Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something really special. I styled my wig for my daughter's baptism. This is actually my very first time trying to style a wig from start to finish. So come along with me as I figure it out, mistakes and all. I'll be using a brush, mousse, straightener, coiler, and of course some spray to set it all. Let's see how it turns out. So at first I grabbed my coil, my hand glove, and of course I also grabbed my mouse and this olive one here, and I just started applying it right away. Now, rookie mistake, because mouse usually come later after you've actually styled and smoothed everything down. But hey, we are learning together, right? At this point, I just brush it through, try to get the hair to lay flat and look neat. The texture actually felt nice and soft, but the mouse, but also I realized I shouldn't wait. Still, we are rolling with it. So next, I took my brush and really walked through the strands. These steps is so important, especially if you've washed your wig before or it's been stored for a while. I made sure there were no tangles, so when I go in with heat tools later, it all glide smoothly. Honestly, brushing alone already starts making it look a little more polished. Okay, so now I pull out my hair straightener. I like to start with straightening before coiling because it helps the wig lay flat and it gives a nice slick base. I sectioned the hair and slowly ran the straightener down each pieces. I didn't go super higher on the heat because I didn't want to damage the fiber, because remember, wig don't repair themselves like our natural hair does. After a few passes, it starts looking silk and smooth. So once it's straightened, I switch over to my coiling. I really wanted those soft bouncy coils for the baptism look. I wrapped small section around the barrel, held them for a few seconds and then released. Each coils come out so cute, but I knew I would brush them later for that more natural flowy vibe. This part honestly made me feel like I was in a salon. And of course, I applied the same process in all of them. Here is where I come back with the mousse, this time at the right step. I pumped a little bit into my hand, rubbed them together and gently walked it through the coils to define them and reduce frizz. Doing it now made so much a difference compared to when I slapped it on in the beginning. It gives the hair shine and help the coils stay bouncy together without crunchy. So at this point, I was trying to make sure that everything is flat. So when I finish, I grab my go-to spray and spray it so strong. It's not going anywhere. I lightly misted it over the coils and used my finger to separate them, just a little. The spray locked everything, making the wig stiff. If you are styling for a long day, like in my case, a baptism ceremony, this step is a lifesaver. And here is the final look. From brushing, straightening, coiling, mousse and spray, we made it through my first full wig styling section. Even though I made that mousse mistake at the start, it turns out really beautiful in the end. I feel so proud of myself, and honestly, it was such a special process getting ready for my baby girl's big day.